is your girl Jen, and I'm here with a Nicka K package. This Nicka K package came in about 5 days. I was very surprised it came so quickly. Just a little something in my box, you know what I mean? A little something. So let me try and put this pillow on my lap so this box is a little bit higher. So it came with this. It also came with the rundown with all of the stuff that I purchased. Also came with one of these. Tell you about their hours and stuff like that. Funded in the heart of New York City. That's probably why it came so quickly. So on to the goodies. I actually tried the eyeliner already, and we're gonna start with that. It's the ring eyeliner. It looks like this, and I guess it's like this so you can like hold it to have like a steady hold on it so your hand does not shake. I actually wanted to try this on camera. This is my first time unboxing this. I was trying to do it in my vlog, but I feel like you guys wasn't seeing it properly, so I said let me do a sit down video. I have very hooded eyes, so that's why I don't really pop on the eyeshadow as often as I could. Let me try with this. I'm gonna fill it in. I like the felt tip. Oh, that's focus. Okay, drying out pretty quickly, but I love the felt tip on this. And the way how I have to, when I'm using it, I guess my position my fingers is touching my face, and it's leaving like my nail marks on my face. But this is what it's looking like. So I can tell you that this wasn't that easy to put on, to be honest with you. I feel like it dried out very easily, but I love the felt tip and I love this cute little thing right here. So moving on. Looks like moving on, let's go on to the lip glosses. Which one I'm wearing right now? I think I'm wearing the mint. Is it the mint or is it the arganol that I'm wearing right now? So I love how this is packaged. It's packaged so cute. These are so moisturizing. This is the one I have on right now. They look so good. And so this is the mint right here. There's different ones. There's argan oil, and I believe this is, yeah, this is the argan oil. This is the mint, and then there's a green one. There's just different kinds, and they're all very, 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 very moisturizing, as you can see on the lip. Super moisturizing. Oh, look at it. Very nice and minty, not too overpowering or anything like that. So yes, can't go wrong with these. And then there's these. I just love these for the packaging, and then again, very beautiful consistency. Again, the packaging is really cute. Are they sealed? Yes, these are sealed. So let me just open it and show you guys what the applicator looks like. I have so much of these. I opened them so quickly because I'm a pro now, but on camera my nails are failing me. You can't go wrong with these. I will annotate the prices. I think this is like $4. Yes. Ooh, I have this one already, so I wanted to try the gold one. You do see the gold specs, and this is how the applicator looks in this. And I don't know if you'll be able to see it. That's how that looks. I don't know if you're seeing any of the gold specs, but you do see it on the lips. Just don't feel like putting it on now because it's starting to get more and more intense. The mint is starting to get more and more intense, okay? And I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it at all. Alright, so I'm not undoing this, but this is a easy, fast filling eyebrow. You know what? I'm gonna open it because this is an unboxing. I'm just kind of annoyed that I have to open it because it's so hard to open, I'll be honest with you. I am here struggling with these openings. I should have opened all of them. I like when the dark brown looks like gray. And I also got this one here. This is the Auto Eyebrow, the one that you thing up, because I'm running low on the one that I have. And what is this? Oh, a lip and eye crayon. Okay, so this one is nothing. Oh, I remember using this back in the day. So this is an eye crayon for maybe under here. Very easy to put on. I don't know if you guys seen that, but it's very easy to put on. It kind of like, it goes on very smooth without any effort. It just kind of like melts onto your eyes, and I really like that. So they say it's a lip crayon as well, so I like this. And I think I have a sharpener for it too. I didn't even think about it, but I like this. Yes, I do like this. All right, so let me go ahead, because I want to actually fill in my brows as well. I'm going to open these and try one on each. All right, so I finally opened these. It took me too long, and I'm going to use the Duo in dark brown. What is this? I'm confused. Oh my gosh. Hold up. Why am I acting like... I'm confused. Where's that little thing that I pull off? Because I pulled off that little tag that was telling me exactly what I purchased. And I just... well, I have nothing to brush my brows. Okay, this one has a brush. I didn't know it was like that, guys. I cleaned up my brows myself. I think I did a pretty decent job. All right, since I'm holding this one, this is the retractable. Let me try this one first. And I'm just going to quickly try to fill in my brows. And off the bat is not that gray. It feels very creamy, not chalky. And dare I say, I like the color of it. Probably should have gotten another one of this. Okay. Okay, this is a real quick fill-in, nothing too crazy. I like it. I like that it's not too grayish. You guys know the grayish type look that I'm talking about, right? You guys know what I'm talking about. Okay, so now I'm trying this Duo thing. So I think I am supposed to put on this. This looks very gray. You seen that? Yes, that's what I don't like. But I'm gonna put this one on. Just a quick fill, and I'm saying this just a quick fill, but this is how I actually do my brows. I try not to spend too much time on my brows. Boom, boom, boom. And then I think I am supposed to take the other side and do something with this, because it does have a liquid. It's not dry. And just to seal it in. I don't even know why I buy. Which side look better? I like this, although I bent it. I like this one. Moving along. So, I got the contour duo and the blush duo. I have this duo already. I believe it's the same thing, but I was running low, so I decided to go ahead. And pick up another one. And these days, since I've been trying really, you know, hard on my makeup, I've been using the darker side. I've always used the lighter side. Yeah, this seems to be it. So this is what they look like. The lighter and the darker. As you can see, for my complexion, the lighter has not been doing anything for me. So I'm using the darker side now. And then we have some blush right here. I'm gonna put one on each side. I'm gonna be looking like a clown by the time this video is finished. I love this. They're creamy. All right, so it has a matte. This one is matte and this one is a little bit shimmery. And I like putting my blush up here like a highlight. I rarely blush it up like usual. So let's go with the shimmery. Let me get in there real good so you guys can see. And just gonna pop that right here. And that's what that one looks like. Let's flip the brush and then go to this side here. Let me put this one on like yeah, so this blush right here, this one is to be used very lightly if you want to put it on like highlight, because I love putting on the colored highlight like this and then going over with a shimmery highlight. It looks really nice. But yeah, you need to just chill with this one. So it's nice though. It's nice. A little bit too bright for my taste. I really purchased it for this one because I was not getting this one by itself. And this is, let me see, ND011. This is just a blush duo. It looks like this. All right, and then the contour duo looks like this. So yeah, I look super crazy now. See how subtle, it's just subtle. All right, so lastly, I got me some setting sprays. I got 3 of them because I go through them like crazy. So I got this one here, the Perfection Setting Spray Matte. And then I got the Perfection Setting Spray Long Lasting. And this one here, since I'm all for the glitter, this one is the Perfection Setting Spray Illuminating Gold. So I was like, oh, let me have it. Let me see what it's all about. So this is the one that I am going to see what's going on. Okay. You seeing that? It really does. I'm seeing it. Okay. It really does illuminate gold. Okay, I see what's popping. Okay, I'm gonna spray it on my face. That's why I got this. I want to see what the heck this is all about. Let me look at it in the mirror and see. Like no cap. I'm seeing the gold. I can't wait to actually do my makeup and set it with this. Okay. I'm seeing it. It's cute. All right, so that is it for my Nicka K unboxing tryout. I look completely different than when I started this video, but it was fun. All right, I hope you guys had fun with me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Later, Jays.